Hello everyone, welcome back to another English lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn when not to use the word to. So there's going to be a quiz at the end of this lesson, so stick around, take the quiz, and let me know how you did. Let me know in the comments how many questions you got right. And if you got some wrong, don't worry, you can always watch this lesson again and improve. But before we get into the lesson, if you'd like to and you haven't already, you can hit that red subscribe button, and that way you'll know when new lessons are uploaded. Let's get into the lesson. So, a lot of my students like to say, go to home. When are you going to home? I'm going to home. And this is incorrect. I'm sorry, this is not correct. We don't need to use to with home. And if you've been studying English for a little while, that might be really confusing. Home is a place, it's a noun. Why can't we use to? And I'll tell you this in probably every lesson, but in English, there are many rules and there are many exceptions to those rules. So although you believe that home is a noun and is a place, we don't treat it like that. So let me get into what I'm talking about. So when we talk about home, going home, home is treated as an adverb, and it's an adverb of location or an adverb of place. So with adverbs of location, we don't use the word to, okay? So let me explain a little bit about adverbs of location or adverbs of place. So I'm going to put some common adverbs of place really quick on the screen for you. So a really common one that I hear a lot is go to abroad, and that is also not correct. We don't need to for abroad. Abroad is an adverb of location. So I want to go abroad. I'd like to go abroad. I went abroad last year. Please don't say I want to go to abroad or I went to abroad. That is incorrect. Let's go overseas. Not to overseas. Let's go overseas. Let's go abroad. They're the same. Another common example is there. Let's go to there. Sorry, nope, that's not correct. Let's go there. I want to go there. I went there yesterday. No to is needed. It's the same for somewhere. I want to go somewhere. I went somewhere yesterday. Go somewhere. Another really common one is upstairs and downstairs. So let's go upstairs. I'd like to show you something downstairs. We don't need to use to. It's very easy, isn't it? But remember, you do need to use to with actual nouns and places. So for example, I want to go to school. I have to go to school. I have to go to work. In those cases, school and work, we use to. I have to go to bed. To bed. Bed, work, and school are just regular places or nouns, so you don't need to worry about those. But just remember that home is in that special category where it's an adverb of location. The second thing I want you to look out for is when you're using gerunds. So a lot of my students tend to use to plus a gerund, and that is incorrect. So if somebody says, I have to go to shopping, that is not correct. If you use the infinitive to shop, that is correct. For example, I love to shop. I love to shop. To shop is okay. But if you're going to say, I have to go shopping, I'm going shopping, in that case, you do not need to. It's the same if you were to say, I like to ski, or I like skiing. skiing doesn't need that too. Okay? So, are you kind of understanding it a little bit more? So I hope this video was understandable, and I hope you have a better understanding of when not to use to. Okay, so remember, you do not use to when you're talking about an adverb of location, and home is an adverb of location. Also, do not use to when you're using gerunds. I like to go shopping. I like to go skiing. Can you think of any more adverbs of place or adverbs of location? If you can, please write them in the comments below. It'd be great for the community to practice together. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone! So I'm really sorry that the lighting keeps changing. Oh my goodness. Or, what time are you going? So my lighting keeps changing and it keeps making the camera go in and out of focus. So I'm really sorry about that.